Hello everyone, this is Raji. In this video, let us learn how to convert array to string in Azure Data Factory using Jjoin function. Here we are not use data flow, only by using pipeline. By creating a new pipeline, we will convert array to string. So let us see how we will do this. So first, let me open my data factory. While this is loading, let me open my storage account. Under containers, under study folder, under input, I have data. Let us view. So this is the list of students we have. So here we are going to convert this into string function. So let us see how. So let me go to other mode. So here I will create a new pipeline. So and let me take the lookup activity first. I am taking the lookup activity now, and under settings, let me uncheck this first row only. Let me create a new data set, blob storage, continue, delimited text, continue, name it as input, string, select the link service we have already created, use first row as header, and select the path. Under study, under input, select this option, select the file data.txt, click OK, click OK. So let me first run this one. I'm clicking debug. So it is running. It's still running. So it is successful. If we open this output JSON, so this is the key value page. So here key is the student's name, value is the row value, that is Raji, Sidhu, Teja, like this. So value is the property name. So let me copy this. Let me copy. Let me open the Notepad and save it this. So okay, let me minimize this. Now let me take the for each activity now. So I have looked up the values now. I am going to give this to for each activity. So I am giving this output to for each activity. Here, let me check this sequential. So here, let me add this function dynamically. Lookup dot output dot value. Click OK. So now let us add the activities. So here we will use the join function to convert this to string. First of all, let us add two variables. Let me name this as name array. Its type is array, and let me add another one. Name string. It is string type. So inside these activities, let me use the append variable activity. So this append variable activity help us to append values to any array. So here we are appending values to the array. Go to settings. Let me take the name array. Let me give the value as item. Here we should give the key value. So here key is the name, that is students. This is key value pair. Key is students. Column name control. Okay. Click OK. So let us go to the pipeline. Now let me take the set variable. So let us, after debugging, let us see what will be the output for each. So I am giving this output to set variable. This is the name string. Value as let us use the function join function to join. So it returns a string that has all the items from an array and has each separated by a delimiter. So let me use the join function. This is the name array, comma, separated by delimiter. Click OK. Now let me debug and show every output so you'll understand clearly. So the process is running. See, it is successful. So we have seen already the lookup output. So for each we get the item counts as 4. So since we have 4 student names, for append variable 1, so this append variable will be repeated 4 times since we have 4 student names. For each time it will take each value, each student name. So first is Raji, next Sidhu. See, every name it is taking the value. All the 4 names are appended here. Now Now under the set variable we have used the function. So the array is converted into string by which these four names are separated by the delimiter column semicolon. So this is how you can convert an array to string in Azure Data Factory. So this is all about today's video. Thank you.